ambient here tonight. Come on, kiddies. They followed me all the way up here, eh? I usually like to check on them first, but I just had a feeling because I didn't come last night, eh? I had a feeling to come and check here. And it's a good thing I did. A bunch of stuff there. Well, I didn't check over here. A quick thing here. Yeah, there's nothing there. Oh, I'm gonna check those disposal bins up front. I have 2 gloves in my back pocket. You know, I didn't even use them. I didn't put my hand really in anything anyway. Gotta get those bottles. Yeah, I'll come back for them. Park up here where the cats expect me to be, eh? And yeah, yes, and another cooler. Bloody jolly good. Not bad after all. Alrighty. And Troy's here, so I suppose he fed the cats. He was supposed to buy a big bag. See what he got, eh? Going extra hard here. I can barely stand up actually. See, I got another cooler. I suppose Jennifer left it there for me. And I gotta collect these recyclable bottles. And I'll see what's inside. Put them in here so I can put this back inside for Troy. Alright. Bloody windy out here. I'm gonna turn this off and then get back. It is extraordinarily windy here. Audrey fed the cats already, but I can barely stand up in this wind. Away. Thankfully she put it here where it's safer. Oh, got my glasses again. The foot is literally trying to get out of my hand. This is the stuff I found in the skip, aka dumpster. It's a whole that was filled with eggs. Only a few of them dropped out when I picked it up because of how it was situated, but these eggs best by November 15, so they're still good. And they still have condensation in them, so that means they weren't put out too long ago. It's a bunch of eggs, but that's an empty container. Eggs and what's that? Some sort of milk. Can't see, silk, yeah, the silk milk. hope it's too cold. It probably is. I'll check when I get home. It's too windy here to do anything. I got a grapefruit and some grapes, so the chickens can eat that. Tomato, some raspberries, blackberries actually, and that you can actually see that the chickens here are actually picking at that already. So more egg. No, that's an empty container because the eggs fell out. So I need the containers for my own eggs. Let me see. So too bad off. Listen here. See how the wind is. Oh, this is horrible. Well, it's not horrible, it's nature, but oh. I'm not going to leave the bottles until tomorrow. I have more. These eggs for the girl here. She's the girl that buys my eggs, but I'm going to give her these free on 6 today. And I'm going to put ice in there afterwards. So you usually take it in the bags and then it melts before you get home. So. I'm here to check. There's a lot of food, I suppose. This is for her. This one is probably mine. So they're probably pretty busy tonight. Jennifer? They were busy tonight?
Huh?
Was it very busy here tonight?
Had a couple people.
Yeah, because I see a lot of leftover scraps here. I mean, that's a lot of meat. I suppose this one is mine. So I'll check with her and get some ice. Oh well. Gotta get the rest of this ice. Okay. Nothing in there. Cats are seeking shelter. It's so bloody windy. See the cold wind here. Anything in here? I suppose not. That's the cleaner's stuff. What's this? There's something in here. Cats are probably confused. You haven't seen it. Oh, there's one right there. Scared me. And the other ones are there scratching. I suppose they're behind here. Poor little things. I haven't seen Tommy. Where's Tommy? He's still hungry. I didn't bring any food. That's Chubby. Oh, the moon is nice. Someone left an umbrella there. That's gonna... a piece of an umbrella. The other part isn't there. Nothing wrong with it. That's a nice Scottish design to it. I suppose the thing came off. It's a shame to leave it there. I suppose they put it like that so it wouldn't blow away. I don't know. Alright. Got nothing in here. Nothing in there. So I'm gonna hit back down. It is super windy. If you notice, I'm holding the mobile still. And that's the wind that's doing that. That's the wind that's shaking my hand like that. Throw it near, but it's blowing. Just gonna wait until that customer leaves. There's one set of customers in there. One table. Oh, see that? That's the window in there. It's probably gonna blow away. So I'm gonna try to secure that. So it doesn't blow away. Yeah, it's nice. Didn't check in this one. There's nothing in there. Blowing me away. Tommy finally showed up. Hey Tommy. Yeah, that's right. Tommy? I'm gonna turn my back up because if it gets in my eyes, I'm not good. Oh, just did actually. That's how bad the wind is. It's blowing the trade up. It is bad. Oh, there we go. Cut it off. That was hitting my face. That trade there, and it felt like something was. I just cut it off. Whoa, this is. Get out of here. Even the cats have gone Troy just gave me this. He says it doesn't work, which is one of those, I didn't know they used to still have these solar powered calculators. So it doesn't work unless there's strong light like that. So instead of him throwing it away and give it to me, it doesn't work anymore because it's got my food, my leftover scraps, and ice. So I'm thinking I'm going to keep bringing this. It'd be easier to bring the ice in. Yeah. That's not mine though. I have a blue one just like that. I just saw that one, so I took it with me. Alright. The door is jamming my foot in here because it's so strong. Oh, it is. I mean, it is horribly strong. Wind. Alright, let's get out of here. Look at the sun. salt spray. That's pure salt spray. Bloody. Alright, there are my glasses. Alright, I cleaned them up. So it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 12, 5 dozens is 60. There were 60 eggs. I cleaned them up and I saved 30 plus 10, 40. So 40 out of 60 good eggs. That would have been wasted if I didn't save them. What a shame. And I just take the bad ones and put them there for my my organic bin pile. And the milks, I don't know if they're any good. No. November 14. I suppose I'll give them to the chickens. And I forgot to mention, besides this little calculator, which is it's working, yeah. Light is strong as well. Troy also gave me this thing of coffee. So bless him for giving me stuff that he would have otherwise thrown out. It's Jamaican coffee. Alright, so there we go. And that's the other stuff for the chickens. And I got my ice. Alright, so that's it for the night.